So here's how to fix Snapchat ultra wide camera option not showing problem. As you can see, I don't have access to this feature. So what you can do, just go on App Store or Play Store and update Snapchat to its latest version. Now if it doesn't show up, click on your profile icon on top left corner. After that, go to setting by clicking on top right corner and just scroll down until you see support and feedback. Now click on bugs and suggestions, and here click on report a bug, click on camera, and here click on select topic and select camera features. Now here type my account doesn't have access to the ultra wide camera feature, please fix this problem as soon as possible. After that, just click on submit. Snapchat will fix this problem. Now alternatively, what you can do, just go back on your camera page, click on explore on bottom and type on the search bar ultra wide lens. Now here select any one of these features, lens. I'm going with this one. This is not effective, but yeah, it will create an illusion like ultra wide lens. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.